पहिलं बाळ म्हणजे माझी मुलगी प्राची, जी आमच्या घरात संपूर्ण घरामध्ये तिने आनंद आणला.
Through light or rain, it's your constant love that gives me strength. Under the starlight we'll find our way, I know. This is the start of something beautiful. With you by my side.
This is a few words that I would like to speak about my son, Kunal. Take good care of Prachi and love her to the utmost. Be a complete gentleman. Prachi, be a loving daughter to me. Thank you. I love you very much.
प्राचीचा स्वभाव हा पहिलाच नोंद मिळावा. कधी तिने म्हणजे आम्हाला पॅरेंट्स लोकांना दुखवलं नाही आणि ऑलवेज ती काय करायची ते आम्हाला सांगून करायची. इव्हन कुणालच्या बाबतीत पण तिने निर्णय घेतला, पहिला प्रथम आमची संमती मिळाली.
Don't look back, love, and don't you wait. Just say you'll run with me, come what may. Under the starlight we'll find our way, I know. This is the start of something beautiful. With you by my side, there's no place that we can't go. 'Cause this is the start of something beautiful. Something beautiful. Here we stand, the world awaits. It's your love, I know, that gives me strength. Under the starlight we'll find our way, I know. This is the start of something beautiful. With you by my side, there's no place that we can't go. This is the start of something beautiful. You by my side, there's no place that we can't go. 'Cause this is the start of something beautiful. Something beautiful.
खूप प्रेम आहे, खूप मन मिळालं माझी मुलगी.
Here we stand, the world awaits. It's your love, I know, that gives me strength. Under the starlight we'll find our way, I know. This is the start of something beautiful. With you by my side, there's no place that we can't go.
An old wise man told me, this is the last speech for you for today. Because after this, it's going to be Prachi's talks. And on behalf of my wife and me, I would like to welcome all of you all here for this special day, for making it, one of the most memorable days of my life. Coming towards my father-in-law and mother-in-law, thank you for the support and all the help which you all have provided us for this great day occasion over here down. Coming to my mom and dad, thank you for everything from the start to the beginning, what you all have done in terms of organizing while I was on work. Thanks for everything, Art. Coming to my grandfather and my granny, I hope she was there to celebrate with us. Gone but not forgotten. But last not the least, Prachi. Today you are looking fabulous, wonderful, beautiful, all the adjectives which I know. Thank you for doing everything down while I was on work, and I know everyone out over here do not know me but does know Prachi over here. That's the reason, because she has taken every effort to make this thing a successful event. Right from getting my bride from Lyndon's suit to his doorstep saying, Papa, please try it and see whether it's fitting you. Thanks for everything, and please have a great time down here. Thank you.
Everyone for coming today and joining us for a very important occasion of our lives. I would thank who's come from abroad all the way here for our weddings. And first, I would thank my parents, mom and dad, who have supported me. I can't explain in words because it's unexpected. Like, I cannot explain it, how they have done for me, whatever they have done for me. They haven't stopped me for anything. It was just a pure support and love they all gave me. Mama, I can't thank you enough. Thank you for everything what you have done for me. I can't explain everything. Thank you, Rara, for all your support. Thanks, Rahul, Shalmali, Nelissa, Lyndon. Kunal has given me the best brothers in my life. I have one, Viraj, but he has introduced me to Rahul, Lyndon, Maxine, Bobo. I have an extended family now. I would just cut it short. Thank you everyone for coming. Please enjoy. Have a great time. Thank you.
We're holding on through all the years. Looking back brings me to tears. Oh, I wanna see this through. All I know is how I feel.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's a privilege for me to say a few words on behalf of my grandson and little Prachi. You know, Kunal have been grown up when he was little boy with her grandfather looking and taking them to school, bringing them to from school, and today he is on his feet, grew up, and he have behaved very well with the family friends.
You know that I will never change. Oh, I will love you the same.
प्राची मोस्टली रांगोळी वगैरे काढते असे अँटिक छान छान. तर मग यावेळी लास्ट भाऊबीजला मी तिला बोललो, प्राची रांगोळी काढताना चुकून आता क्रॉस काढशील आता तू.
Tell me how the tables turned, how I've grown from lessons learned. Oh, I'll keep my faith in you, even though these days. I know that you will never change. Oh, I will love you
आजची
the same.
पूर्वीपासून फार क्लेवर आहे.
Will keep you safe for all my life.
So Prachi is like super sweet and she's like an elder sister and always responsible, and Kunal is super chill, like never makes me feel like I'm not a part of the family, and he always treats me like a brother.
Prachi, you know what you mean to me, and you know you are more than a sister. And obviously Kunal has always treated me like his younger sister, and he's done a lot for me. So thank you, and all the best to you both.
Right, so Kunal and Prachi, first of all, congratulations for the wedding, and definitely looking forward to becoming uncle and aunties. Okay, yeah, you all can take your time with that, but yeah, definitely looking forward to the next double and triple days with us. Yep.
So like I haven't met Kunal and Prachi a lot of times, but Prachi is like the sweetest person ever. She made sure like every time we hung out, she like included me in everything, and I just want to wish both of them a very happy married life.
Will keep you safe for all my life. And you will have my heart for all of time. Even on your darkest days, you know that I will never change. Oh, I will love you the same.
Prachi, अपना pride lend us pride.
Love you the same.
A very sincere but a very loyal boy, and he's a very hardworking boy, and you can say that Prachi, you're going to enjoy a very good life with him. He's extremely good, and he'll love you, and he'll take care of you a lot, and you'll have a happy life. That's all what I would like to say about you all both. And regarding Prachi, I've known you from last 6 years and all. You're a very strict girl, kind of, to me. But I really enjoy your company when you will start being with us as a family. That is from tomorrow onwards. So we are going to have a happier life. So yeah, that's it.
They say, oh my God, I see the way you shine. Take your hand, my dear, and place them both in mine. You know you stopped me dead while I was passing by. And now I beg to see you dance just one more time. Ooh, I see you every time. And oh my
माझ्यासाठी खूप क्लोज आहे, खूप म्हणजे खूपच क्लोज आहे.
make me wanna cry. And now I beg to see you dance just one more time. So they say, dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, oh, oh.
कुणालच्या सर्व गोष्टी प्राचीनी तिच्या मामीकडे शेअर केल्या होत्या. इवन मलाही या काही गोष्टी माहिती नव्हत्या, पण तिने अतिशय गुप्तपणे ठेवल्या आणि आज ती उघड करते सर्व गोष्टी.
I'll make you do it all again. I said, oh my God, I see you walking by. Take my hands, my dear, and look me in my eyes. Just like a monkey, I've been dancing my whole life. But you just beg to see me dance just one more time. Ooh, I see you every time.
प्राची माझी ॲडवायझर, खूप काही गोष्टी ती मला ॲडवाईस करत असते.
You make me wanna cry. And now I beg to see you dance just one more time. So they say,
Kunal
dance for me, dance for me,
is a
dance for me,
wonderful
oh, oh. I never seen anybody do the things you do before. They say, move for me, move for me, move for me, hey, hey. And when you're done, I'm back to do.
Kunal, you sounded really good when you said "wife" for the first time.
Dance for me, dance for me, dance for me,